A high-profile criminal trial is kicking off today in New York City. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange, is accused of being the mastermind behind one of the biggest financial frauds in U.S. history. Up until it went bankrupt, investors were trading on FTX, making big money. At its peak, the company was worth more than $30 billion. But the crypto market crashed last year, and that downturn exposed the alleged illegal activities FTX and its subsidiaries were carrying out behind the scenes, including allegedly siphoning investors' funds to buy real estate in the Bahamas and allegedly propping up Bankman-Fried's private trading firm. Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to the 7 charges against him. CNBC's Kate Rooney joins us now from the courthouse here in New York City. Kate, nice to see you. What is happening today inside the court, and what are we likely going to hear from the government and from Bankman-Fried's defense?
Oh, great to see you. So today is all about jury selection. So the trial is expected to last about 6 weeks. We're looking and hearing from potential jurors. There have been some conflicts of interest that have already come up. This is extremely high profile, and a lot of folks have already read newspaper articles. They've talked about podcasts that they've listened to, and they say that many of them already have formed opinions. There's some that have been dismissed as a result. One juror, or potential juror we heard from, actually works at an investment firm that had invested in FTX and Alameda. That's another one of Sam Bankman-Fried's companies. They're still in the process, so they took a break for lunch, a little bit delayed, still inside the courtroom, trying to figure that out. There's a possibility that this goes until tomorrow, and then we'll hear opening statements from the prosecution, the government side, and also the defense. So that should be interesting. Later this week, we'll likely get some testimony. So the big testimonies that we're looking for are some of Sam Bankman-Fried's inner circle. So those FTX executives that have already pleaded guilty. We've got Caroline Ellison, who was the CEO of Alameda, that hedge fund, also Sam Bankman-Fried's former girlfriend. She is expected to testify. That will be an extremely personal account, and there's a lot of interest around what she has to say.
Oh, I imagine, yeah. So how long could this whole trial end up taking, and what are the potential punishments if he's found guilty?
So the game plan right now that the judge laid out is 6 weeks. He did say could go faster. He's an extremely experienced judge, and he is hoping that it goes faster than 6 weeks. There was a lot of talk about scheduling, and but 6 weeks is the goal. And then as far as if he is found guilty, it could be the maximum sentence would be 100 years. That would mean life in prison. But there's also a chance that some of these counts overlap. So it could be 20, 30 years if he is found guilty. But there is very much the possibility of life in prison for Sam Bankman-Fried.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.